Woodworking doesn't have to drain your wallet. Today, I'm showing you 14 insanely useful tools you can grab on Amazon, all budget-friendly, all game changers. Whether you're a DIYer or a seasoned craftsman, these picks will boost your precision, speed, and satisfaction. Let's dive in. Number 1. If you've ever fumbled between drill bits mid-project, the CraigE Quick Flip is your new best friend. This premium home improvement tool is a double-ended powerhouse. One side drills perfect pilot holes and counterbores, while the other drives CraigE screws with precision. No more wasted time, no more strip screws. Whether you're attaching false fronts, face-joining corners, or building cabinets, this tool makes every step smoother. The quick release mechanism lets you flip between functions in seconds. It's like having two tools in one hand. And because it's designed to work seamlessly with CraigE No. 2 square drive screws, your joints stay strong and clean. It's not just a tool, it's a workflow upgrade. For DIYers and pros alike, the Quick Flip turns frustration into flow. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever built without it. Number 2. When your project demands strength, durability, and a flawless finish, Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof Wood Glue delivers indoors or out. This isn't just glue, it's a bond you can trust through rain, heat, and time. With a 15-minute working window, you get the flexibility to align, adjust, and perfect your joints before it locks in with Gorilla Tough Strength. It cures to a natural tan wood color, blending beautifully with hardwoods, softwoods, and composites. No foaming, no mess. Just a clean, sandable, and paintable bond line that finishes exactly how you want it. Whether you're repairing outdoor furniture or crafting a custom shelf, this waterproof PVA glue stands up to the elements and your expectations. And cleanup? Just warm water and soap. Number 3. Meet the EST Wing Pro Claw Nail Puller, the pry bar that turns frustration into finesse. Forged from a single piece of solid steel, this 9-inch powerhouse is built for durability and precision. Its high-leverage design delivers maximum torque, making nail pulling and board prying effortless, outperforming standard cat's paw tools every time. But what really sets it apart? The precision thin claw. It slips into tight spaces and extracts even headless nails with minimal damage to your wood. Whether you're reclaiming lumber, fixing framing, or salvaging trim, this tool gives you control and confidence. And with its no-slip cushion grip, your hands stay comfortable and secure through every pull. It's not just a nail puller, it's a craftsman's companion. Number 4. When you demand laser-sharp accuracy, the Mr. Pen Square Set steps in like a trusted partner. This compact duo, a 12-inch combination square with spring-loaded brass bolt and a 7-inch die-cast aluminum rafter square, fits right in your pocket, yet delivers pro-level precision on every project. The 12-inch combo square doubles as a level, depth gauge, and ruler. Its rust-proof stainless steel blade, etched in 1/16, 1/8, and 1/32 inch increments, ensures every line is true. Flip in the brass scriber, and you're marking flawless layout lines without hesitation. Then there's the 7-inch rafter square, a lightweight titan. Its non-glare matte finish and high-visibility gradations guide you through common, hip, valley, and jack rafter cuts with unwavering clarity. From on-site framing to weekend DIY builds, it transforms guesswork into confidence. Together, they conquer every angle, every cut, every measurement. With Mr. Pen's durable craftsmanship in your hand, you're not just measuring wood, you're shaping your vision. Number 5. Picture a gaping crack ruining your handcrafted cabinet, or the frustrating gouges on your antique bookshelf. With the Gorilla All-Purpose Wood Filler Repair Kit, you can banish imperfections and restore flawless beauty. This go-to wood filler glides effortlessly, filling cracks, dents, and holes with a smooth, natural finish, while its shrink and crack-resistant formula stands strong against moisture and temperature swings. It's both water-resistant and ideal for indoor and outdoor projects, so whether you're reviving garden benches or perfecting heirloom furniture, you'll get a repair that lasts. The kit pairs an 8 ounces tub of high-performance filler with a sturdy 3-inch putty knife and premium sanding block, everything you need for pro-level results right out of the box. After curing, you can sand, stain, or paint to match any wood species seamlessly. Transform imperfections into polished perfection with the Gorilla Wood Filler Repair Kit, the secret weapon for every woodworking enthusiast. Number 6. Ever wished your square could do more than just right angles? Introducing the 8-in-1 Carpenter Square and Center Finder, a tiny 3.5 by 5.5 inch marvel that feels like a full workshop in your pocket. Crafted from 8mm thick anodized aluminum, its laser-engraved scales and matte finish never fade, ensuring crystal clear measurements every time. This powerhouse lets you measure, trace, and mark angles from 5 degrees to 90 degrees and center find rods or dowels in seconds. Unlock 2 protractors, 3 marking gauges, dual rulers, and even drill bushings in 3 sizes for guided boring. The included angle pin, position pins, and mini wrench stabilize your setup, turning complex layouts into swift precision. Whether you're laying out rafters, mortise tenons, or drilling jigs, this multi-angle maestro elevates speed and accuracy. Lightweight yet indestructible, it's the secret to pro-level work. Upgrade your craft with a single tool that does it all, and watch your projects transform. Number 7. Picture this. No more blade swaps, no more delays, just unstoppable cuts. Ever stared at a nail-studded fence and felt dread at the thought of replacing blades? The Talisa 9-inch 6/12 TPI bimetal reciprocating saw blades are your demolition allies. Their variable tooth design cuts fast with minimal vibration, powering through wood, nails, PE, PVC, OSB, even tires and metal without slowing down. Reinforced with extra 8% cobalt and crafted at a hefty 1.27mm thickness, these blades outlast standard bimetal alternatives, so you can tackle every rough job without fear of breakage. Universal shanks fit all major saws, Bosch, DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, and more, so you're always ready. Whether you're dismantling an old deck or remodeling a fence, these blades deliver smooth, accurate cuts that keep your momentum alive and frustration at bay. From aggressive teardown to precise salvage, these blades are your on-site go-to. Enjoy unmatched durability, blistering speed, cutting with confidence. Number 8. Ever fumbled with a tape measure, rubber banding lengths of trim and praying your cuts will fit? Meet the MileCraft Trim 45, the handiest sidekick for door and window casing. This clever gauge locks in your reveal from 1/8 to 1/2 inch in perfect 1/8 inch steps, so every trim sits flawlessly against the wall. No more juggling a ruler and pencil. The Trim 45's built-in tape slots and rare earth magnets grab onto jams and stock like magic, leaving your hands free to mark with deadly accuracy. Its 45 degrees angled head guides your pencil for flawless miter lines, and the integrated clamp pad secures to any clamp, turning a 2-person job into a solo breeze. Picture yourself breezing through casing install, nails straight, gaps even, finish trim snug every time. The Trim 45 transforms frustration into flow, giving you consistently professional results. No guesswork, no wasted trim, just pure carpentry joy. Strap this little powerhouse to your belt and watch your project shine. Number 9. Picture this. You've just assembled a beautiful pine cabinet, only to find your screws spinning free in the softwood. Enter the EasyLock knife threaded insert, your secret weapon for rock-solid machine threads in pine, plywood, MDF, and composite board. Pop a 25mm zinc insert into a properly sized hole, tighten with a hex key or drive tool, and watch it bite in with tapered external threads that laugh off vibration. Ideal for ready-to-assemble furniture, drawer pulls, display cases, and sturdy shipping crates, these inserts transform weak screw grip into professional-grade holding power. No more stripped wood, no more loose fittings, just confident, repeatable assembly every time. In under a minute, you upgrade softwood from fragile to formidable. Whether you're crafting heirloom pieces or tackling heavy-duty builds, EasyLock brings precision, durability, and peace of mind to every joint. Number 10. Imagine slicing perfect crosscuts without the fuss of clamped guides or shaky freehand cuts. The CraigE Portable Crosscut is your ticket to crisp 45 degrees and 90 degrees, cuts up to 8 inches wide, right on the job site or in your garage. Its retractable cut line indicator lets you eyeball and snap your saw into position in seconds, while the built-in support ledge holds your workpiece steady for flawless, splinter-free edges. Whether you drive a left or right blade circular saw, the CraigE adapts instantly. No adapters needed. GripMax anti-slip pads lock your saw in place, turning the guide into a rock-solid extension of your hand. Lightweight and compact, it tucks into your tool bag yet stands up to daily wear. From framing to trim, this guide transforms every cut into a confident stroke. Feel the relief of zero tear out, zero guesswork. With the CraigE, you're not just cutting wood, you're carving out precision, speed, and pure satisfaction. Number 11. Imagine gluing up a perfect picture frame or box and never wrestling with misaligned boards again. The Pony 4-pack corner clamp transforms corner and T-joint assembly into a one-handed breeze. Crafted from reinforced nylon, these 90 degrees clamps grip boards from 3/16 to 7/8 inch thick, locking them in place with a spring so strong it holds firm for 72 hours straight. No more clamps slipping under pressure. The adjustable jaw design and sturdy spring deliver unwavering holding power while you screw or glue. Best of all, you can operate them single-handedly. Just open, position, and release for instant precision. Light enough to clip onto your pocket, yet robust enough for daily use, these clamps feel like an extension of your hand, not another tool to manage. Say goodbye to crooked joints, wasted clamps, and extra helpers. With Pony corner clamps, every frame, cabinet, or DIY box rises from chaos to craftsmanship, effortlessly perfect every time. Number 12. Imagine pulling out a tool that wraps precision, durability, and versatility into a sleek 12-inch package. Meet the Perceiva right-angle ruler, your new secret weapon for flawless layouts. With laser-calibrated stainless steel, its 1/16-inch notch spacing and extra 1/32-inch graduations in the middle 2 inches let you dial in measurements down to the finest detail. Need to mark common angles? Simply drop the scribing needle into one of 10 built-in angle holes from 10 degrees up to 90 degrees and glide across your workpiece for perfect guides every time. The retractable metal ledge stabilizes the ruler on any surface, banishing wobble and tear out. When the job's done, hang it by its insertion hole for instant access on your wall. Scratch-resistant and tough enough for carpentry, construction, furniture building, and more. The Perceiva Square transforms every measurement and angle cut into a moment of pure confidence. Elevate your craft, measure, mark, and scribe with unwavering accuracy. Number 13. Imagine gliding over an uneven cabinet edge and watching the Imbot Edge banding trimmer transform rough wood into a flawless factory-finished seam. Its professional-grade stainless steel blade, forged from 5 chrome 15 molybdenum vanadium steel, slices through melamine, laminate, PVC, and veneer with ease, deburring, rounding, and shaving edges without tear out. This 3-in-1 marvel handles straight lines and curves alike, empowering you to tackle cabinet builds and furniture refinishing in a single sweep. Beyond power, it's comfort in your hand. The ergonomic, non-slip grip keeps every motion steady, even during intricate cuts. Weighing just 0.42 pounds, it's lightweight yet unshakably precise, delivering chip-free results on every surface. For DIY ears and pros, it's not just a tool, it's a joy to use. Gift it to the woodworking perfectionist, and watch eyes light up at the promise of pristine edges. With the Imbot Edge banding trimmer, impeccable craftsmanship is always within reach. Number 14. Imagine gliding a bright orange ruler across your workpiece and feeling absolute confidence in every line. The Nitra metal pocket rule set, 6, 8 inches, and 12-inch T-type scribing rulers with 45 degrees and 30 degrees slide stops, turns measurement into an art form. Crafted from corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy with laser-engraved imperial and metric scales, these rulers stay vivid and precise even after years of use. The smooth thumbscrew slide stops lock your angle guides instantly, so you draw perfect 45 degrees or 30 degrees lines without shaking or guessing. A rounded groove holds your pencil nib steady, preventing slips and broken leads. When you need to set your table saw height, simply stand the ruler upright with the stop block and read off the scale at the blade's peak. Lightweight and pocketable, this set empowers you to switch between fine detail work and broad layouts in seconds. With Nitra, every mark is a promise of precision, and every project becomes a masterpiece.